What happened to your lips?
Uh.
I thought you wanted to try my salad.
Salad?
Mm-hmm.
Salad so hot.
Salad can never be hot. I did not put pepper.
What's that? Cheese?
This is cabbage.
No, it's like cabbage.
Why not? Cabbage is good. Look at your mouth. You have dressing on your mouth.
Do the carrot.
Huh?
Carrot?
Okay, I should give you carrot.
Oh, hey.
Okay, take carrot.
No.
I'm going to put Paw Patrol for you.
No. Wobble Paw Patrol.
Okay. Just try it and see. See, Mama, eat, see.
Tasty.
See? Taste it.
Wait, cheese.
Okay.
Cheesy. Wow.
Chew it like Mama. Like this. Yum, yum. Why are you doing your face like that? Come back here. You see, it's nice, right? What's happened? Come now. Come, please. Okay. Let me eat my chin. Majesty doesn't want to eat with me.
Let me eat.
You want to eat more?
What's that?
Oh, shh.
Put me down.
Is it not you that throw away him? Nobody throw away him. Come back.
You got you.
Eh?
You got you.
I don't want to chase you, Majesty. You are looking for somebody that will chase you. Come here. Come back here. Come back here. Come.
What, Mommy?
See? Let's eat one more. See? Take carrots. Chicaros.
Wow.
See? It's wow. How does it taste? Clean your mouth. Oh, Jesus, Majesty, you're a very bushy boy. Here. Oh, no. Do you know? You have beer. Come. Let me take it off. Come. Look. See, you have celiac in your mouth. Come this way. Here. Let me show you. See? Here. Wait.
What?
See? It's celiac.
What's that?
Wait, let me show you. Wait. Oh no, this is a lot. See? I found this in your jaw.
What is that?
That is tissue.
Tissue.
Yes.
That is tissue on my nose?
The tissue is for your nose, but what is it doing in your jaw?
I'm lips the one.
Eh?
My lips.
Is it out?
Yes, my carrot.
You want more carrot?
Yes.
Wow, I'm surprised.
Surprise carrot.
No, not surprised carrot. I mean, I'm surprised you're eating this.
Mm.
Thank you.
Mm.